What's up everybody, it's Aparicio, and today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to get a particle text effect in Davinci Resolve very quickly, and in the end I'll add something a little special to make it look cooler. So let's get right into it. Alright everyone, here we are, we're in the edit page. You're going to go to effects and you're going to grab a fusion composition, click it, and go ahead and open in the fusion page. Alright, sweet, we have our media out node. So the first node we're gonna add, shift space, we're gonna add a particle emitter. Alright, go ahead and add that. And then you're gonna go up here to the inspector and you're gonna go to region. You're gonna change that to bitmap, just so we can use this effect with text. And then you're gonna go to style. I'm gonna change the style to Ngan. Sweet, now we have all these controls here. So then we're gonna go to color and let's go ahead and whatever color we want this effect to be, text. All right, I'm gonna go with that color. And then we're gonna go to size controls. I'm gonna bring the size up to around 0.3, 0.4, and then the size variance up just a little bit. Cool, so now let's go to controls. We're gonna bring the number up to 100. We wanna get as much as we can. The number variance, let's bring that up to about 5. And then that lifespan, we're gonna put it at the amount of frames we have. You're gonna look right here, and we have 120 frames. So we're gonna put that number to 120. Sweet. And then the lifespan variance, we're just gonna put to around 3 or 4. We're dealing with particles, so a lot of this stuff is kind of random. Alright, cool, so we have our settings set up for the emitter. Now, what we're gonna do is add a text node, drag it down from right here. Alright, let's put in what we want. I'm gonna put particle effect. Now let's click 1 on the text node so we could see. Alright, so I'm just gonna increase the size. And then I wanna change the font, I like this one. Riff soft, that's a good one. Alright, and then go ahead and connect it to the emitter node. And now what you're gonna wanna do is shift space, go ahead and type P render. And we're gonna add that. And then go ahead and switch this to 2D. Put the pre-generate frames here. Go ahead and put that all the way to 100. And then go ahead and connect it to the media out. Alright, so you see we already have the particle effect coming in. So now you're going to go ahead and click on the emitter node. Shift space. We're going to add a P turbulence. Go ahead and click add. And now we're getting crazy with the effect here. Alright, once you have that in, go ahead and go to region, and right here where it says region, go ahead and change that to bitmap. Now let's go ahead and add a background node, drag it in. You're gonna go ahead and just change the color to white. Go ahead and add a rectangle node right above it, connect it to it, connect the background to the turbulence node, and then go ahead and adjust that, that rectangle. Alright, and then go ahead and select the particle turbulence. And then go ahead and go where it says region mode, and then go when not inside region, click that. Now we can see our text correctly. Bring this down a little bit, and as you can see, wherever we kind of put the edge of this rectangle is where the particles start to spread. Go ahead and make the edge a little softer, and then the border width, you can go ahead and drag it down, and you can get the particles going out further, getting crazier. Cool. So we have our nice text effect, as you can see, but let's add one more thing to make it even better. Just one more. Alright, go ahead and click on the render node, shift space, and go ahead and type in fast. Alright, go ahead and add fast noise. There we go, we added fast noise. And then now go ahead and grab the ellipse node, drag it up into the merge node, and then go up here and click invert. And then shape it the way you'd like. Shape it like that. Make the edge a little softer. Then go to your fast noise node. And we're going to bring the scale up just so we can see more that it's smoke. Let's change the color on color 2 to kind of what the color of the text is. Go ahead and click OK. Go back to noise and go ahead and drag your playhead to the beginning of your effect of your clip. And then go ahead and hit a keyframe on seed, and then go to the end of your clip, and then go ahead and drag the seed up a little bit to about around 1. And then you're gonna go back to the edit page and go ahead and watch what you just did. And there you go. Obviously you can take off the fast noise and just have the particle effect. Maybe you just wanted to add a little bit more, you can add that fast noise. Alright, so thank you for watching. That was quick, that was easy, right? Sweet. So subscribe, like, let me know what you thought. Let me know if you need help doing anything else, and I will see you in the next one.